we're famous. Happy wife, happy life.
Because this is what I do. So here we have Sabina.
Hi.
And Sabina's going to give us a little push off on our adventure rowing out to Lake Bled.
We've got friends over there.
Oh, and we've got some little friends to join us, look. I'm sorry I haven't got any food for you, but hey,
Okay.
happy days. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. She's holding on. She's holding on.
Let's go.
Hey. Bye, 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 bye. And off we go. Don't rock the boat, she says. Don't rock the boat. So here we are on Lake Bled. As you can see, I'm taking photographs. Yeah, I'm using the Panasonic Lumix converted camera because I don't want to lose my Leica in the water, just in case we topple over. And now I suppose I best march on, because we're going to go over to this island which is over my shoulder, and yeah, happy days. So you just have to excuse me, I'm not the most eloquent and I'm unscripted. You get what you see and you hear what you get. So, and I'm winging it. So I hope you enjoy this little adventure. We'll video it, we'll take some photographs, and we'll send you them forthwith. So, hope you like the new hat. Makes a change from the baseball hat. So, yeah, anyway, we shall catch you later. Take care for now. Bye-bye. As you can see, we've made it to dry dock. The out falling out of the boat. It's quite hilarious trying to get out of the boat, truth be told. Worth 25 quid just for that. But as you can see, we're on this little island. You can hear people donging the bell, which is what I'd like you to do. Dong that notification bell so you don't miss any future broadcasts from Now's NTV. So today we're just on the little island in the middle of Lake Bled. Just give you something of interest in case you decide to come and visit yourself. Anyway, off we go up the hill. Find a little shade to sit down and have a minute. Rest my tiring limbs after that arduous row across Lake Bled. So, as you can see, there's a few steps taking you up there. I'm not going to go on them. I'm sitting right here on these logs. In a minute. So we'll sign off for now. Maybe take a few photographs. I'll swap the to the infrared sensor so you can have a look at what's going off with that. Okay, catch you in a short while. Bye.
Hi, I'm Mark, the local tour guide.
Okay, and model.
Huh?
And model.
And model, no. No.
Actor.
Typical guy.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great time. Bye.
Thank you. And Gary, a little bit about you. Where are you from?
From the United States,
Whereabouts in the United States?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. And what's it like in North Carolina? Is it pretty?
It's pretty. Not as pretty as this, I don't
Is there a lot of mountains in North
We
Carolina?
have some.
Yeah. And how long have you been a photographer or videographer?
20 years maybe.
20 years. Okay. Yeah. Cool. I look forward. Can I see it anywhere? Can we observe this commercial anywhere? Is it
Gate 1 Travel is the name of the company.
Gate One Travel?
Gate 1? Yeah,
Ah.
Gate 1 Travel.
I'll have a look. Is it your own company?
It is not, no. It's a big company in the United States.
Okay. So what are you doing next?
Tomorrow, what do we do tomorrow? I think we're off to the caves tomorrow.
Okay. And shoot some more commercial.
Yeah.
Is it all about a travel?
It's in Slovenia, yeah.
All
So we're
right.
spending a week here.
Oh, brilliant. Hey, good to meet you,
Nice
Gary.
to meet you.
Okay, take care. Bye-bye. Scoots. Thomas. Lots of Thomas. Like they're all Thomas. One age and description to another. Thomas seems to be the make. Even that trial bike. Thomas stickers. But it's a Yamaha engine. I want to find a little spot to go and dip my toes in the water. That's what I'm going to do. So I'll sign off for now until I get in there. Beautiful place, Lake Bled. Lots of people sunbathing, drinking beer, swimming, boating. There's where we're going to dine tonight at Carmen Restaurant. Hello and welcome to Now Zen TV. So we're just out doing a sunset shot, as you can see, over Lake Bled. I'm just getting the rowboats as the foreground, the lake and the mountains in the background, some beautiful colours. All I've got on is a sunset grad. I'm shooting around f/16 so I can get a nice 12-second exposure, just get some nice colour and reflections in the water. And I'm using the Leica app to fire it off, and it's at 50th of a second. Right, so I'll just have a little look and just introduce myself. Here I am, Andy from Now Zen TV, and if you have a little look behind me, you'll see this beautiful scene that I'm photographing. So I've got to say, you know, the video always brightens the image comparatively to what we do with the SL3, which is waiting to be reconnected. So I'll just do that. So it's now thinking about it. So this is a beautiful scene. It's quite a busy road, which I don't mind, so it doesn't affect my photography. So for now, I hope you enjoy the scene. We'll touch base soon. Thank you very much and good night.